I'm a chemist. I work at the molecular level. I'm interested in atoms and molecules and the way we can use them and do things which help us all with them. It's strong, it's light, it's flexible, it has quite remarkable electrical and thermal conductivity. It's a perfect barrier to the smallest atoms that you can imagine, as well as having an enormous amount of surface, which is something we can use in all kinds of practical applications. The work which won the Nobel Prize winners their Nobel Prize was to isolate a single layer of graphene by taking graphite and tearing the layers apart, quite simply using sticky tape. The idea that you can have a single layer of atoms that act as a perfect barrier, that's something really exciting and really interesting. We believe that graphene, in conjunction with other things that we're developing here at Manchester, can help us to make much better membranes for many processes, from water treatment through to gas separation such as carbon dioxide removal, through to other liquid separations such as the purification of industrial and pharmaceutical products. As academics conducting research, we know that graphene has lots of interesting properties and enormous potential.
We should be able to use this material for various applications like anti-corrosion coating, chemical protection coating, and also for food packaging. One of the potential applications for graphene oxide is water filtration. We have to do more fundamental research to make use of this membrane for the desalination application. So we are working with our industrial partners to use this membrane for water filtration.
But of course, to get graphene into the marketplace, we do need help from companies and the people who really know what's needed and who really understand the technical problems of applying these materials in real use. We are trying to match what we're doing as academics in the laboratory to what's needed by companies out in the real world. Potentially enormous markets haven't yet been touched. If we think about carbon dioxide removal from power station flue gases, that's not yet done on any scale. And people are still arguing about the best way to do it. But if we can generate membranes which will achieve that economically, then that is an enormous market which will open up, which doesn't yet exist. Manchester has a lot of wonderful people already working on graphene. But not only that, we have an excellent infrastructure. We've got a lot of facilities close together, and we have the ability for people like me in chemistry to interact with people in physics, in materials science, in chemical engineering, and in other schools and departments across the university. Manchester's strength is that more than any other place, we have people of different disciplines able to work together to achieve a common goal.